There's this one word I want to talk about, which is perception, business perception. And perception has to do with the way the general public, investors, customers, view your company or your business. Perception plays a crucial role in shaping the success of your business. This actually helps the customer to inform their decision to buy from you or not. Going through the stage of TikTok yesterday, and I saw a footwear designer designing a footwear, but it was putting on suits. And people were commenting like if they should ask for the price of the shoe, they know that this shoe is going to be like, expensive and all of that. Now people got that perception because of the dressing. There are some business owners that if they want to come and advertise their business, the way they will dress will actually turn people off. Now, bad quality pictures being displayed on your page will also turn people off. And then inconsistent branding, which is very important not to turn people off. So that actually brings a very low perception in the mind of the people. Now, how do you build your business perception? You have to be consistent in your branding. You have to have a very good customer service. You need to be transparent, and you need to offer good and quality products. You cannot say you want to offer a great perception in the mind of people when you offer low quality products. Coca-Cola is a drink that some people do talk about. Don't take this, don't take that because of the high sugar content and all of that. But some people still take Coke. Despite the fact that people still talk about the high sugar content, Coca-Cola has built a very strong perception in the mind of people because of is consistent in branding and then emotional marketing and the global presence. So, as a small business owner, you need to create a very great and valuable perception in the mind of people, in the mind of your customers, and in the mind of investors before they even say they want to give you any money to scale up your business. I hope this helps. My name is Love AJAGBE-AYANKOLA. I'm an entrepreneur, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.